All right, Mark, we're recording, so watch what you say. Kidding. Oh,
Our sponsors might be this
my
off.
first cast, I cast it over my buddy's line. That's sweet.
If you watch Joe Rogan, man, you can say fuck all you want on YouTube.
Oh yeah. This looks fishy.
I finally had a story last night. I'm like, I don't know if I told you, Bishop, I've been checking out fucking AR-15 stuff. I've always wanted one since I was 18. But I'm like, finally, like, you know what? I want to get one of these fucking things. So I asked Lori last night, because I've been looking at it for like the last 2 months. I'm like, do you care? She's like, that's fine. I'm like, alright. Honestly, it helped me build me. I bought one
Oh, that definitely helped you.
about 6 months ago, and I'm like, yeah, your dad and I can go, go shoot together.
Which will never happen, but
That's cool. I like Jerry, he's awesome. But I just thought that might help the selling point. I read something from old Ricky Blunt about this time of year. He likes to throw his 3/4 round burn it.
we're about to get bit. This looks too fishy. Ah. I think I'm facing this way. I think I'm getting you in it too. The other day we had some just kind of run into it, not. There he is. Dang, that's nice. That's easy. 3.5.
Put them on scale?
Yeah, let's do it.
Nicely done. White chartreuse in this clear water. Surprising. It's killing it.
Look at that fatty.
He hit it a ways out too.
I knew it was so fishy right here. That wind's blowing in. It's 3.5 probably. I mean, he didn't. There wasn't no. He ate it like no. It was
3 pounds.
right on the money.
Yep.
Very nice fish. Yeah, he was out on the last 10 feet of pads.